Hold up, listen. You can hear the sounds of birds planting seeds throughout the redwood forest. That's right, each one of those farts symbolized a plant getting planted. Plants want their babies to get away from them, and what better way to do that than to get them airlifted by a bird? Plant makes berry. Berry has seeds. Bird eats berry, poops out seeds. Seeds grow into a plant. It's called seed dispersal, and plants have a lot of different seed dispersers. Some ants are seed dispersers too. Unlike the birds, they don't have to poop seeds out. They actually carry them around. Plants don't want their babies to grow up right next to them because then they'll have to compete with that baby for food and water and sunlight. So they need to get by with a little help from their friends. And that's why plants try to entice ants, bears, birds, or other things to move their seeds for them because they want to secure a life for their bloodline. Plants don't have blood. Chlorophyll line. Genetic line. So what's in it for the ants? Well, to ants, they're really busy. Their time is very valuable, so they're not just going to be moving people's seeds around for nothing. The simple answer is food. A lot of plants like trillium, fetid adder's tongue, cool name, huh? And bleeding hearts, also a cool name, all have the sticky fat bubble stuck to their seeds called an elaiosom or a elaiosom. I don't know how to pronounce it. And when the seed is ready to be moved, the elaiosom starts to really smell. And ants have a great sense of smell. Better than most insects. Ants are smellicious. I mean, they don't smell good themselves, but they have a good smeller on them. So once they smell that strong smell, they'll break into the plant seed pod, they'll take those seeds, they'll walk them all the way to their colony, they'll feed the elaiosom to their kids or queen, and then they can't break through the seeds because like they might chip their tooth or something because the seed coat is so hard, and so they'll kick it into their compost pit. Yes, ants have compost pits that's full of nutritious stuff like ant doo-doo, and then those plants can grow really well. So if you see not a flock but a patch of trillium, chances are that there is or was an ant colony nearby. Banana slugs don't make good seed dispersal animals because they can actually eat the whole seed. Ants are a really important part of nature, and without them and their seed moving abilities, we wouldn't have nearly as much biodiversity, variety of life here in the redwoods. In the eastern United States, like a third of your woody plants are dispersed by ants because your woody plants have elaiosomes or elaiosomes on their seeds. You can learn more about us at redwoodsrising.org, and if you want to learn more about insects and how to help them, go to the Xerces Society. You would be amazed at how effective Redwoods Rising is at repairing and restoring wildlife habitat in previously clear-cut and destroyed redwood forest. So we are bringing back the wildlife habitat and the wildlife too, and we really appreciate helps from all your ants.
And your mamas.